Babita madam இருக்கீங்களா இல்லையா? Okay. So we had seen the steps for the preventive work. Is this our sheet? Our sheet only. Where is that? Maybe I did in some. Okay. So the steps for the preventive, right? Creation of task list. Creation of task list. Creating maintenance plan. Creating maintenance plan. Okay. Attaching task list in maintenance plan. And then scheduling. Okay, these are the steps we already discussed, right? So yesterday we saw what is create task list, why we are creating the type of task list, T code, reports. Okay, so today we are going to see the plan. Okay, so normally there are three types of plans. Single cycle plan, strategy plan, and multiple counter plan. These are the three types of plan. Okay, these are the three types of plan. Today we are going to see the single cycle plan. Okay. So what is plan in the means? They are only we are yes. Any questions? What is plan in the means? Here only I am going to do my planning, preventive planning, when my maintenance to be done, that I am going to do here. Okay, for example, as I told I think yesterday, preventive is a pre-planned maintenance, advanced planned maintenance. Okay, to avoid breakdown and failure. Okay, to avoid breakdown and failure. Okay, and failure, right? So it's a pre-plan means I need to do some planning, right? When I need to do my maintenance, like that. Okay. So for now, I am taking this as a monthly cycle, 30 days cycle. Okay. For 2 years. Okay. So monthly cycle. You can take in the quarterly, halfly. Okay, like that. Anything we can do. Okay. So I am taking a monthly cycle for 2 years. This monthly cycle for 2 years means each month 30th or first the order will be generated, right? Normally 30th or first. Okay, month and or monthly starting the order will be generated. So this monthly cycle is called as cycle length. This is called as cycle length, and this 2 years is called scheduling period. 2 years means still 2 years. My plan is for 2 years of maintenance for each month. Any questions on this? What I am doing, or anyone have any questions on this?
Scheduling period, we can up to n number of years we can mention it, na? Or else.
Yes.
5 years, 10 years.
Yes.
No restriction,
Yes.
sir? Okay.
No, nothing restriction. What about Swati madam and Pavita madam?
Yes, sir.
மேடம் புரியலன்னா தயவுசெய்து கேளுங்க, மற்றவங்க இருக்காதீங்கன்னு கூச்சப்படாதீங்க, தயவுசெய்து கேளுங்க. நேற்று நீங்க எதுவுமே பேசல, உங்களுக்கு புரியல தயவுசெய்து கேளுங்க, நான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுறது உங்களுக்கு ரெடியா இருக்கேன். மேடம்
இல்ல சார், புரியுது சார்.
நேற்று இது தெளிவா புரிஞ்சுதா? டாஸ்க் லிஸ்ட் நீங்க பேசாம இருக்கிறது எனக்கு புரியுதா இல்ல ஒண்ணுமே புரியுதா? எனக்கு புரிய மாட்டேங்குது.
ஆக்சுவலா அது மைக் வந்து கொஞ்சம் ப்ராப்ளமா இருந்துச்சு சார், அதனால தான் எனக்கு நான் பேசுறது உங்களுக்கு கேட்கல சார்.
சரி, ஓகே. Now, see, don't see others are there. That's I'm telling to everyone. Don't see others are there. If you have doubt, please open your mouth. Please.
Okay.
I'm requesting anyone. Yeah, Grishma madam, any questions? Yeah, tell me.
No questions, sir.
Okay. So as I told, monthly start. Okay, maybe each month, May 1st, June 1st, and August 1st, June, July, August, September, October, November. So each month, first my orders will come, right? My order should be created, right? May 1st, every month, first. Okay, I am putting only one date every month. Okay, this is the date. But what business is telling, my order to be created month starting, my work, not order creation. To hear my words clearly, my work should be done on month first only. But my order, it should be generated in 15th of every month. So 15 of 30 days, how much is this? 50%, right? This is the 30 days, right? Each month means 30 days. They want order by 15th of every month. So every month at 50% of the duration, they are asking the order to be created. Any questions on this?
Repeat once again, sir.
Yes, repeated, sir.
Every month my order to be generated on my, sorry, I am also using wrong, not order generation. My work will be on the first of every month. But business is telling I need the order to be created in advance, but my work could be here only. This is only order creation. Here I'll put if you want. So if it is May 1st, okay, if it is May 1st, the order will be generated here by April 15th. Clear? 15 days in advance.
Sir.
Okay, okay.
Again here, it will be June 1st. June 1st means my order should
May.
generate by May 15th.
Okay.
Clear now? 15 days
Yes.
in advance. I am telling 15 days in advance. Can be done, but my work is here only. My work will be done here only. This is only order generation. Clear? I'm showing the system. Don't worry. I'll be showing the system. Okay. So this percentage, what you are going to enter is called as caller zone. Caller zone. Okay. This percentage is called as caller zone. Basic entry question preventive. This caller zone and scheduling period. Normal, very basic fundamental question in the preventive. Okay. Caller zone and scheduling. You see in the system, you will understand. Okay, just I'm telling theoretically, when you see the system, you understand. Okay. Okay, now we'll do this. Okay, so it's a monthly cycle. I'm doing this. Okay, so the scheduling period is again. The T code here is single cycle IP41, 42, and IP43. Okay, we'll go to IP41. Okay. One interview question, but they are not asking, just I'm giving. Okay, call objects of maintenance plan. Now they are not asking before, during my entry period. This is entry questions. Or work order, notification, service order. Okay, these three is enough. Okay. Normally these two only. Call objects means from the plan, what and all can be created. That is what call objects. Okay. Now they are not asking during my period 2013-15. This was a famous question. Now they are not asking. Okay. Now we'll go to the screen. Okay. T code to create the maintenance single cycle plan is IP41. Okay. IP41. Okay, so this is the screen to create the maintenance plan. Okay, so this is what I told call objects: order, notification. Okay, if remember 2, 3, no issues. Everything we can't remember. Order, notification mostly will remember. Calibration plans and service order you can remember if you want. Okay, calibration plans and service order if you want you can remember. Calibration. We are going to see calibration later. Okay, calibration order will be a plan. Okay. Before they are asking, now they are not asking. Just so I want to create order, take the order. Okay, press enter. Okay, so this is a description. Okay, it's a engine, any object. Okay, maintenance for my motor or something. Maintenance for my motor. So give your object on which you need to do your maintenance. Okay, give your object. And I told cycle length monthly I need my maintenance. Okay, so 1 month, or you can give 30 days also. You can give 30 days. So give here monthly cycle. This is the text. This is the text. Okay. Any questions on this and this?
No, sir.
This is the object on which you are going to do the maintenance. From this object, your planning plant, okay, your work center, planner group, activity type, everything will be coming. Okay. Here you are going to attach the task list which we created yesterday. Okay. Means now we are taking yesterday, but in the original project, you should take the correct task list. Okay. So go here. If you want general task list, keep only this tick mark, remove other two. Okay, remove other two and take only general. Or if you have equipment task list. I think we are clear, right? Yesterday we did equipment task list. Abhita madam, equipment task list mic is not working. Are you clear of equipment task list? Yesterday I teached it. Rishma madam, you went through the video. Can you tell me what is equipment task list or what is the difference between equipment and general task list? Rishma madam.
Yesterday's class, I didn't go through, sir. I just came today home in some time back. I was in different city.
Okay. Okay.
I had gone on some work.
Okay, so I'm taking a general task list, go inside. Okay, so now randomly I'm taking some task list. Okay, so this task list will contain my list of activities to be done. You can go and see here, display task list. Okay, go here, you can see the operations, what activities to be done, and components we discussed yesterday. Okay, so if you have the components, you can go and see here. There is no components. If BOM is there, you can attach it again. PRT you can add, right? So this central we discussed yesterday. So go back, again back. So for this object, this activity from the task list I'm going to do for monthly once for 2 years. This scheduling period, 2 years. This is called scheduling period. Okay, this is called scheduling period. Rajshekar sir, Pavita madam, anyone have any questions on the scheduling period? Are clear or any questions? What is scheduling period or?
Sir, get it.
Okay, so startup cycle. Okay, you can give. I am giving next month first. Okay, I am giving next month first. Okay, this is the startup cycle from when my calculations to be started. Okay, this is the startup cycle. I'm having this date now in this scheduling tab. Okay, so save it. This is the basic how to create a plan. Anything from anyone? Anyone have any questions here? Anyone have any questions on this cycle length, scheduling period, 2 years? Sorry, I'd given it 2 year startup cycle from when your calculations will start, and for this object, this is what I'm going to do. Anything questions? Anyone?
Get it, sir.
Save it. So plan is created. Then we have created the plan, attach the task list. Okay, now I need to do scheduling. Scheduling is of two types, IP10 and IP30. Okay, two types of scheduling. IP10 is manual scheduling. IP10 is nothing but the write in your handout IP10 manual scheduling. Okay, IP30 deadline monitoring, automatic. You write deadline monitoring, don't write automatic. Deadline monitoring you write. Program name Restra 20. Write it. Program name Restra 20. You should know this program name, this unit by heart. Program name is start only. Don't write automatic scheduling, you should write deadline monitoring. That is the name given by SAP. It's nothing but the automatic scheduling. Okay, that we'll discuss later. So now I'm going to go with IP10 for now. Okay, then we'll go to IP10. This is IP10. Okay. So I'm going to do the scheduling, ticket IP10. You can go here itself in the top. Okay, from the top you can go, or you can go 320, right? Or you can go separately also. IP10, no issues. All are same. 320 press center. Okay. So this is my plan. Okay. So click the start button. Click the start button here. It will bring the date. One important point I told yesterday or not, I don't know. Preventive, you should be very cautious with the dates. Very cautious. Not like work order. Because if you change date at one place, it will change all the dates in the back. The preventive, you should be very cautious with the dates. Please write in your handout. Preventive, be very cautious with the dates. Not like general work order. Because dates plays the role here. Okay. Very important. This is for preventive. Okay. For preventive, it is very important. Okay. Right. So data are coming, press enter. Okay. So what I give June 1st of 23. From here 2 years. See here. From June 1st, it came to 30 days. July 1st. Am I right? So everywhere you see that 30 days will be coming correctly. 30 days, 30 days, 30 days, 30 days, still 24 months. From here, if you calculate 24 months, that is 2 years, it will come here, if you calculate correctly. 23 calls here. 12 into 2s are 24. It is coming 23 because 2 years getting completed. So one call is getting reduced. This is called call number. This is called as call number. Call number. Any questions here, anyone, please? Anyone have any questions here? Rajshekhar, Madam 1, Madam 2. Okay, so this is the status of your call. Okay, it takes time. Preventive takes time to understand. Okay, immediately it will say I am touching very basic, but it takes time to understand it. Okay, so please be at least serious in the scheduling. Okay, please be serious in the scheduling. Okay, so when see now here, see very clearly, there is plan date, there is call date. 2 dates are there. Okay, plan date is my work date, work to be started. Nothing but a work order header start date, work order header start date. This date. Okay, but call date is the date on which your order to be generated. Call date is the date on which my work order be created or generated. To understand this itself for me took 4 or 5 years. What is plan date and call date? I am not joking, really I am telling. To understand itself, I take 3 or 4 years. Because no one is there to give that level of understanding and teaching for us. Okay. So any doubt on this plan date and call date, anyone? Anyone have any questions on this? Pavita madam, Rajshekhar sir, madam 1, madam 2. Okay. So go here. I am selecting this line, clicking the release button in the down, clicking the release button down this button. Okay. See, when I'm clicking, okay, hold on. This call date field is there. This field date is there, right? So when I'm clicking this field will come to empty. And see the status. It is new start hold. Now it is new start save to call. If I save, order will get generated by clicking this release button, this button. In the means, since the order is getting generated, the call date field will come to empty. Getting my point? Because order is generated,
sir.
call date what I told call date, the date on which my work order to be generated. Since the order is generated here, the call date field is empty. Yeah, tell me, Rashid, you are about to tell something.
Yeah, not exactly getting, sir. So that's why please.
So what happened now? You tell me, what is the difference between these two? You tell me. Here and here, you tell me, what is the difference here?
There is a call date is no empty. Here call
Now,
date is there.
yes, correct. What is the status here and there?
The new start. Here scheduling new start. After that, hold as a
That is
thought.
the matter. Here, hold. New start called, already called. So what I told to call date? What is the meaning of call date? Tell me. What you understand this second line?
Call date
What?
means order at which on which the date order will be going to generate or create.
Yes. Yes. So here order is already generated. Here order is already generated. Okay. Your plan number, your call number, first call for this plan, for our plan, this is order generated. Since the order is generated, this field got empty because again, same call, second order will not generate. For one call, one order only. This is the call number I'm telling. This is the call 1. This is the call number. Since the order is code is IP24, okay, 320. Execute. You are getting here, order is generated, order is created for call 1. Since the order is generated, your call date field went to empty. Clear, sir, or any questions here? Madam 1, Madam 2. Rajshekhar, clear?
He's not there.
Not there. Okay. Sir, are you clear? Report is IP24, one of the report for maintenance plan, order generation, IP24. Rajshekhar, sir.
Sir, actually my phone is disconnected and again I am connecting. And now that call date once it is showing empty, so order generation process completed.
Since order
Am I right,
generated
sir?
completed, you are telling a reverse way. Since order is generated, your call date field is empty. Not due to this. Due to this. You got my point. Don't tell call date MC so order is there. Since order is generated, my call date field is MC because call date is the date on which my work order to be generated.
Yeah.
That is empty means order is generated. Here it is
Okay.
not empty because order is not generated yet.
Yeah,
Clear?
yes. Yes, sir.
Now you are getting clarity.
Clear, sir. Clear.
Madam 1, Madam 2. Sweden, Madam, India, Madam.
Yes, sir.
Madam 1,
Okay.
Madam 2. It will be like that. Preventive, I cannot help. We are touching very basic. Still, we need to see 3 to 4 days. Just try to cooperate. No option. It takes time to understand. Preventive will take time to understand. It takes some time. Still, we are touching very basic fundamentals. Still, we need to go 3, 4, 5 days. Very basic we are discussing. Right? So, this is, I am creating manually. Okay? I am creating manually. Okay? So, this is my order. So, if you go to the order and see, this date will be there. See, this order. What is this order now? Okay, go here. Refresh. Refresh will not work here. Refresh. Okay, refresh is there. Okay, this is my first order. 819761. Copy. Open the order. /OIW33. Yes. Yes. What is the start date?
017-2020.
Got it? This is my work
Yes, sir.
start date. I told plan date. This is my work
Plan
start
date.
date. This will not change. This will not change. Okay. Again, see. Call to 31/7. Date is 8/1. See, you can see here itself. You need not want to come here. If you want, you can see here itself. Okay. Click here, see here. 31/7. Your plan number and your call number. Clear? So whenever order
Yes,
is
sir.
generated, this field will empty and this will be your work order start date. Work order basic start date. This is how work order is getting generated in the preventive process. But I am doing manually because I need to explain you. But in the project, it will be doing by this deadline monitoring I told. That we'll discuss tomorrow. First, we will discuss this. This is manual. I want to show you how the order is being generated. Okay, right. Okay, anything I need to tell in the plan? Sort field is there, right? I can tell sort field also, right? In the last, see, when the order is scheduled, here I took a photo. Remember, I started, there was a field. Remember? There is a field start field and only 3 tabs because this is a new plan, not scheduled. When I give the date here and if you schedule in IP10, this field will go off. This field will get vanished because it is scheduled. This field will go off. Hence here there is no field. That field is not there. No yes from anyone. Sir, it is already scheduled, so the start date will not be here.
Yeah. Okay, okay.
Getting me? It's
Getting, sir.
already
Getting.
scheduled. So here you will not have the start field, start date again here. Here it is a
Yes.
fresh plan. So the start date is there. If you schedule, see here. I will schedule and show you if you want now. See again, the 4th tab is here. Maintenance plan, scheduling plan calls. Here, see the tab is not there.
Yes.
Because it is set to be scheduled. See here, I am scheduling this. 3/21. Got it? 4th tab is
Yes.
there and your startup date field is not there. Because it is
It's
scheduled.
right.
It is scheduled. So here you
Got it.
cannot give the date again. In the plan, again, you cannot give the date. But in IP10, you can give. In the IP10, you can give the dates. If you want to reschedule, you can reschedule here. I can use this knee start, manual call, this and all, I can use it. Getting me?
Yes, sir.
Chennai, madam. Okay. Preventive will be like this only. You need to understand no other option, not like work order or anything. Okay. Preventive will be like this only. Okay. Right. Now, okay. Now I had started with this date here. Okay. But unfortunately, business is telling, I don't want order to be generated from this month. Pull this, push this, maintenance 2 years later or 3 years later or 6 months later. I want to do rescheduling. Here you cannot do. In the plan, you don't have the date. Here you cannot do. The date is not there. But here you have the option for new start. You have the. Are you getting me? It is already scheduled. But business is telling, I don't want to order to be generated. I don't want to do the maintenance for 6 months, 1 year. Hold it, delay it for 1 year, delay it for 6 months, delay it for 2 years, delay it for 5 years. Getting me or not? All.
Yeah, sir. Which order?
Order generated, I cannot do anything. Generated is generated. That is not possible to change. For the future, from the call number 3, where the call date is there, from there I can play.
Okay, sir.
Created order, you cannot do anything. Order came.
Oh, okay, sir.
If you want, you go to the order and change the date. That is your personal. If you want, you go and change here. But order created is created. That is not possible to do. Order number generated. No option.
Okay, sir.
If you want, you can set the deletion flag. You know deletion flag, right? You can set the deletion flag in the order. In case if you don't want to do order, you set the deletion flag. Or come and change the date here. If you think I don't want to do the maintenance. Order created, but for the orders which is yet to be created. I want 6 months delay. I want 1 month delay, 1 year delay. Click the new start button. Click the new start button. New start means I am going to start my scheduling again with the date. This date, I am telling this date here. I gave a date, right? This date.
Sir.
This and all is not changing. This and all is not changing. Okay. I am telling this date here. See here. I am giving 6 months delay now. Okay. See what is happening now. Okay. So if you want, you can delete or you can skip. Okay, I'm skipping for now. Okay, I want this call so that only you guys will understand. Okay, I'm skipping now. Okay, so I'm giving 24 January 1st. 24 January 1st. See, all the calls are skipped. Skipped means order will not generate. Order will not generate. Come down. See, from 1/4 the order is getting again started. Skipped means order will not generate. Skipped. Madam 1, Madam 2, Rajeshekar. Any no? This is the new date I gave. Next year, January 1st. I don't want orders to be created here. So call date also went to empty because I don't want order to be generated. So call date is empty. Clear? Call date is empty.
Yes.
Madam 1, Madam 2.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, I said yes, sir.
No, it takes time to understand. I know it. Just I'm
Yes,
rechecking.
sir.
You are understanding or not. Preventive slowly will be like that only. Okay. Okay. Madam is also getting. Okay. So that is what. Okay. From here your call date is there because from here my order to be generated. Again it will come up to 25. Same 2 years. It is taken into consideration. Okay. Right. That is what the new start. This can be asked in the interview. What is new start? You understand, don't by heart. What I am doing, I want to reschedule with a new date. That is called new start. Okay, understand it. Understand it. I'm telling. If you are not able to understand, ask me tomorrow. I am ready to explain. New start is also an entry question. New start is also an entry question in IP10. New start is also an entry question in IP10. Nowadays, yeah, I don't know if they are asking. Yes. IP10 manual call and new start field. Okay, I have written here. Can be asked. Can be. Okay. Okay. Fine. And the last for today, this is the back button. If you want, you can go back. Okay. Okay, I will save you. Wait to
Sir, I think one doubt, sir.
Tell me, tell me,
That
tell me, tell me.
while new start processing, this plan date, call date, which one we are going to take reference, sir? Plan date or call date?
Good question. It will take into consideration your plan date only.
Yeah, okay.
It will not take the call date. It will take your plan date into consideration.
Okay, sir.
Plan date only. Good question. Very good question. Absolutely good question. It will take plan date only. Because your call
If
date can change due to any call reason or anything. You will take a plan date only into consideration. Absolutely.
okay, sir.
Good. Correct question. Valuable question. Right?
So we can think new start will be considering plan date for rescheduling the existing plan dates. Right now, sir?
Yes, 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 yes,
Okay.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
Thank you.
Again, there is delete or skip. I didn't delete. I skipped it. If I deleted,
Okay.
right, this calls will not be there in the system. This line and all will not be there at all. This lines from here. Since to show you, I went to the skip. You do delete and see what is happening. Okay, I skipped
Is
it.
permanently deleting, sir? If we press delete, it is going to permanently delete or
Yes, 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 yes. If you
okay.
save, it will be deleted. Yes, that is what I told. It will confuse you. See, after 2 years, if you are coming and opening the plan, right? If you delete, you need to check the call log whether what had happened. You are getting my point. You need to go and see what had happened. Instead of that, if you keep skip it, right, you will understand. Okay, due to some reasons, this call is skipped.
Yes, yes, sir.
If you want, you
I
can
think
delete.
okay. In business perspective, mostly skipped we are using, I think.
Depends. It depends on the business. Again, first they
Okay.
should know this and all. See, what we are discussing is consultant level. From the business
Yes,
end user, they don't know this all anything. Only the
yes, yes,
consultant
sir.
knows this IP10 screen and all. You got my point. End user and all, they don't know anything. Business said if the
Yes,
guy
yes.
know SAP PM, he know this is. He should be a consultant. Otherwise, he don't know this IP10 and all. Got it?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Depends. You can. It's up to business. They don't want to confuse others. Means they can delete and go. They don't want to confuse us. No, no. I need to know what is happening. So I should not get confused. I need to know. Means you can skip and go. If you delete, right? If a known guy comes, then he will see from here 2 years is going. Where the 2 years went, he will get. If it's really a guy, he may get this understanding through news they would have deleted. But that also may be a suggestion. Again, you need to go with the change log and call log, right? You're getting me.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. What happened, Chennai madam, Sweden madam? Clear or any questions? Both of you. Okay. So new start completed. Okay. The last before this is scheduling list. Here also you can see. Okay. Scheduling your order generated, you can see here. But you will not get the order number here, I think so. Okay. Order number will not come here. Maybe and go here and see. Here, okay, start. Order number you are not getting here, right? Order number you may not have yet. Okay. Order number you are not getting here, right? That's all. You will not get the order, but it is showing. Okay, call date is empty means with the status you can come, but order number. So then you need to go to IP24 only. Okay, you need to go to IP24. Okay, the last is a manual call. Okay, manual call you can give any date, manual call. But it should be in calendar. Don't tell I'll give 35. Okay. So it should be a calendar date. You can give any date. I'm going here. I'm taking any dates here. Order will be generated. This is kind of from this plan. I need an order, irrespective of any plan scheduling or anything. But I need to do on this date. Any date. Any date. That is only one call. Only one call. This is called manual call. Clear? Any date you can take.
Yes, sir.
Only one call. If you want again, you can do. If you want, you can do again. For this order will be generated. Next call, if you want, you can do. No issues. But only one call. See here. Manual call. Call date. Call date. Okay. Order is generated. Okay. Plan number, call number. Okay. 320. Call number is 90. This 90. But call date. This is. Today date. Correct only. Correct only. It is taking tomorrow date. System date. Okay. But it should be. Okay. Okay, okay, I got it. Here, no, here they are showing the date on which order is generated, but it should be empty. But why it is there? Good question, good point. It is there, right? Okay, one more call I will do now. Okay, I am giving some other day. Okay, any day, what you want? You want August 80, August 30, or September 30, September 15? What date you want? I can give. Okay, this field is there. Okay. This field is there in the manual call. Okay. Right. Okay. See the status here. It is saved to call. When I save, it will come to called. Okay. Select the line. Just save it. So. Okay. This is called manual call. Order will be generated. You can come and check it. Order is generated. For your plan number 320, call number manual call, your last order number, your task list from the plan, group code, everything. New start and manual call completed. How to create a plan, attach task list, and the creation of orders. Show. Go through. Continue.
Sir, in manual call, we are going to give date, plan date or call date.
That is what I told. It's the date on which your work order to be work plan date. It's a called plan date. It's a plan date.
Okay.
Plan date. My work to be done on that day. I am not telling
Okay.
order to be generated. My work to be done on that day. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes. What about tomorrow? We'll have class, or you guys need to practice, or what is the plan tomorrow? I am ready. What about tomorrow, everyone?
Lamb, you need to say, sir. You need to do lamb. You said
I
on
will do,
Saturday.
sir. We started preventive. I need to finish the preventive. In the middle, if I bring lamb, preventive continuation will not come. When I finish
Okay.
preventive only, I will come to lamb.
Okay, sir.
In the middle, if I come lamb, no, you will forget the preventive flow. Only we
Okay,
did.
okay, sir.
Still, we didn't do this. See, small down buttons. We need to see maybe, and then we need to go strategy and multiple counter. I need to do
Right,
strategy and multiple counter. I need to do after preventive build. Let us finish this topic. Then I'll go to LAM. But Sunday, I thought of doing weekend. But I need pressure for that also. What about tomorrow? We'll have class or how is the comments, guys? If you guys are ready, I am ready. I don't have any questions. To be frank, next batch 5 people are waiting. Our 5 guys, our best need to finish. Then only I can start the next batch. But I don't have any hurry. Proper training should be given. I won't hurry for that.